Hey kids, welcome back to TrulyFun Toys. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you can see our fun new videos every single day. Today we're going to be checking out these awesome Paw Patrol Dino Rescue Patrollers. The first pup we're going to check out is Rex. Rex is a cool new pup that helped the Paw Patrol on their Dino Rescue missions. And this is Rex's vehicle.
Cool!
Rex's vehicle has a cool ramp so he could get up into the back easier. And sit inside. Check out this cool trick that Rex's vehicle does. Now let's see what Rex had hiding inside of his surprise egg. What do you think it is? Let's open it up and find out. Whoa, look at that! It's an awesome long-necked dinosaur. Rex is going to love it. Next we have Skye and her pink and gray Dino Rescue Vehicle. Skye's Dino Rescue Vehicle flaps its wings when you push it along. And it has this awesome claw at the back. Now it's time to see what surprise is inside of Skye's egg. Let's open it up now. Wow, look at that! It's an awesome pterodactyl! Now Skye has a friend to fly around Dino World with. How cool is that? Now let's check out Rocky's awesome green and orange Dino Rescue Vehicle. It has a huge claw at the back to help lift heavy things, and two big claws at the front. Let's check out what surprise Rocky has for us in his big egg. Let's open it up now. Wow, look at this amazing dinosaur. It has hard armored shell on the back and lots of spikes for defense. Now we have Rubble's yellow Dino Construction Vehicle. Rubble's truck kind of looks like a Triceratops. It has a big frill on the back and 1, 2, 3 spikes on it. And it has this big shovel to help the pups when they need construction help. Let's see what surprise Rubble has for us in his giant egg. Wow, look at that amazing Triceratops. It matches Rubble's construction vehicle. Now let's say bye to Rubble and his Triceratops friend.
Goodbye.
Now we have Chase in his awesome blue and yellow Dino Police Cruiser. I think Chase's vehicle kind of looks like a Stegosaurus with its spikes all the way up the center. What do you think?
Yay!
I wonder what amazing dino is hiding inside of Chase's big surprise egg. Let's open it up and find out now. Wow, look at that. It is a Stegosaurus to match Chase's vehicle. See, the Stegosaurus has spikes all the way along the center, just like Chase's truck. How cool is that? Our next pup is Marshall. He has a gray and red Dino Cruiser. Marshall's Dino Cruiser has big water cannons on top that can spin around and put out fires. Let's see what kind of surprise Marshall has in his big dino egg. Let's open it up now. Wow, look at this cool dino that was hiding inside of Marshall's surprise egg. It has some big sharp teeth and big claws on his feet and hands. Let's say bye to Marshall and hi to our last pup. Do you know who it is? Did you guess that our next pup was going to be Zuma? Look at Zuma's awesome 6-wheeled orange vehicle. It has some cool blue wheels on it and some big fans on the back. Wow, how cool is that? Let's check out what's inside Zuma's big dino egg. Can you guess what color the dino inside of Zuma's egg is going to be? Let's open it up now and find out. Wow, look at this cool gray dino. This dino has a really cool crown on its head and some spikes up on his nose. We haven't seen a dino like this yet. Thanks for checking out all these awesome Paw Patrol dino vehicles with me and helping me open up these surprise dino eggs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching!